We're on a long journey from the USA to South America. But before we can cross the border, everything has to be right. This is our sea trial. It looks like a vacation, but it is actually a lot of work. Hit subscribe to join the pack and see if the gear and the team can handle the road. Are you a pack and go traveler, or do you spend weeks on prep? Tell us your style in the comments. Living in someone else's house is a delicate dance. We landed in Vegas on December 19th, planning to stay just past the new year. We wanted to earn our keep, so I took over the kitchen for the Christmas Eve dinner party. We went to a bingo game at a friend's house. Our group won all but the last game, and I won 3 times, which almost started a riot. When you're the guest who keeps winning, and the guest who's still on the couch, the social squeeze is real. But as the initial weeks extended, the rhythm shifted. My father-in-law, Gene, says, house guests are like fish. They start to stink after 3 days. We were well past our expiration date. The feeling was palpable, but confusing. It was a mix of, please stay, and, wow, you've been here a long time. A big part of that was the sprawl on the kitchen island and making final gear preparations. For us, the island was our command center for working, editing, and planning. For our hosts, who don't like any clutter, it was a constant source of stress. Even when you're trying to be a ghost, your gear leaves a footprint. Lee's niece, Dr. Kiera, and her husband Leo flew out from Connecticut for Christmas. We all headed to Henderson's Water Street district for lunch at Juan's Flaming Fajitas. I definitely overate, so the walk around was very slow going as we checked out the shops and sites. Even on a family stroll, you see how this city works. Vegas is a world leader in water management. Almost every drop used indoors is cleaned and sent back to Lake Mead. It's how a city this big survives in a place this dry. Vegas water is amazing, but would you live in the desert? Yes or no? The bike gives us freedom and fun, but it also creates friction. We use a Mototote Sport hitch carrier. It's a heavy-duty steel rack that can hold up to 600 pounds. It is built for the mission-critical life, but it changes how we use the van. It's held up well over the 6,000 miles we've traveled so far to Puerto Vallarta, as of this video's production. I have to remove the 350 pounds of motorcycle. To open the rear doors. It sticks out behind the van, making us much longer and heavier. It's a puzzle of logistics. Is a hitch carrier worth the squeeze? Let us know your favorite way to haul a bike. Hitch carrier or trailer? Which one would you choose for a long, overland, international trip? For New Year's, we scouted the south of Las Vegas for a view of the fireworks. Karen bought a cheap bottle of pink bubbles from the grocery outlet that was so flat it wouldn't even pop. Karen said it tasted like poo-poo, and she wasn't wrong. But the real story was the brown fog. This is an inversion layer. Cold air gets trapped under a layer of warm air in the valley, acting like a lid on a pot. It keeps all of the city's smog and smoke right at ground level and just above the tops of the tallest casinos. Above us, the private airport kept its light on, but the city show was totally buried. We could hardly see anything with the fireworks on New Year's. Have you ever had a big travel moment ruined by the weather? Tell us your epic fail story.
Hey, Chronicle Crew. There's our little lights. And we have this for New Year's. Because I got the cheapest bottle in town. It is literally not coming off.
Let's see if I can do it.
Okay, be careful. You know it's going to be terrible when this happens. It means it doesn't have enough bubbles. It's so flat.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Good job, babe. Cheers. Happy New Year's.
It's not New Year's yet. You still got 7 minutes. 7 minutes.
Whew.
Right? Something like that.
Do you want a radius bubble?
It sounds fancy.
I got this pink bubbles that taste like poo-poo. It was $6.99.
You're really selling it.
It was $6.99 at the grocery outlet. Would you try some?
Sure. Right next to the police station. Oh, give me some Mad Dog.
That's what $6.99 gets you, baby.
Oh my God. I'd rather have some Thunderbird. What's in it? Is it particles of cork?
No idea.
Well, the fireworks are starting to ramp up around the valley.
Okay, let me show you, because we thought that we went and scoped out the perfect location, and it's like the perfect view of the strip, but that's when all the lights were off, and now this is what we see.
We visited Area 15 to check out a Mega Mart. It's very different from the original one in Santa Fe. It's like a giant neon theme park. As adventure designers, we look at how mystery is built. The Mega Mart is a permanent installation by the art collective Meow, while the Santa Fe original, The House of Eternal Return, is based on a mysterious home. This Vegas version is a 52,000 square foot satirical supermarket. It features over 60 distinct environments and 325 unique products that look real but are actually art. Use the boop cards. They let you interact with the computers and unlock the story of the Dram family and The Source. Meow Wolf started in 2008 as an informal DIY collective of artists in New Mexico. They've gone from building art out of trash to this multi-million-dollar manufactured awe. It uses high-tech lights, sound, and hidden doors, like the ones behind the soda coolers, to create a feeling of discovery. It's clever and strange, but it feels very far away from the quiet mystery of the open desert and its progenitor. It's a great example of how humans try to engineer the thrill of the unknown. If you don't visit, don't just look at the art. Is Meow Wolf art or just a theme park? Where do you draw the line?
It's Red Rocks! See how they're all red?
Next time, we go back to the spot where we got married. Then we chase the rare desert floods in Death Valley. Share this with your favorite travel partner. See you on the road. Next episode is a full circle moment for us. Subscribe so you don't miss the desert mirrors.
Expeditions, join us on this ride. Together we have